are you doing? In this ever-shifting digital game, tech keeps throwing curveballs at us. One of the biggest game changers lately, the rise of AI and data-driven tactics in search engine optimization SEO. With big players like Google favoring user experience and relevance, businesses gotta tweak their strategies, keep up in the online rat race. In this AI and digital-driven SEO world, it's all about respecting user interaction data and quality signals to climb the search ladder. Forget about the days when just jamming keywords into your content could get you noticed. These days, search algorithms are sharp as a tack, judging content quality and relevance based on metrics like click-through rates, time spent on page, and bounce rates. Businesses gotta wise up. Online presence ain't just about getting seen. It's about giving value to users. By honing in on creating top-notch, user-centric content, companies can not only boost their search rankings, but also build up their brand rep and keep consumer coming back for more. Next time I'll talk about AI in content creation and some more. Until next time, have a good one. Bye for now.